Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Epic Games Launcher on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult. All you need to do is search for it in the Microsoft Store. Search for Epic Games and then go to it, and you'll find the Epic Game Store app here, and then you can click on it. So this will start downloading and installing the launcher. I mean, there is no specific application called as a launcher. It's called the Epic's Game Store itself. And when you open it, then you will be able to access all Epic games. So we will wait till it is installed on our system. And once it is installed on our system, we will log in and we will be able to access all games like Fortnite, etc. So this is why we need it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.